find Revolut card pin. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to find your Revolut card pin code. So for that, just open your Revolut account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. You can use the web version of the Revolut account or download the application in your device, whichever way you like it. I'm showing you this tutorial in my web version of the Revolut account. After logging into my account, finding the Revolut card pin code in your Revolut account is quite simple. Just follow these steps along. And once you're there in your account, just simply click on the three-dot menu icon from the top right corner of the screen. And from there, just go to the daily finances options. And over here, you will be able to see a bunch of options. Just simply click on cards. And now, if you don't have Revolut card with you, you can get yourself a Revolut card by just simply click on get myself a card. And just select the type of card that you would want to have from your Revolut account as per your need, and just get the card for yourself. And if you already have an account in your Revolut account, you will be able to see the option called settings. You just have to click on the card settings, and there you will have the option to view your pin code. So just simply tap on view pin code, and there you can find your pin code and use it whenever and wherever you want. And this is basically how you will be able to find your Revolut card pin. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.